President.
sent a letter to the Office of the Vice President. You attached a copy of the rules
Okay.
in aid of legislation.
Yes po.
Yes, sir. Nakalagay po doon na witnesses lang po ang ino-oath. Sabi niyo po ngayon sa amin, resource persons kami.
Lahat po considered as resource person pa lang po.
Right. Opo. Ang nasa rules ninyo, witnesses lang po ang nag-o-oath. Wala po kayong rules sa resource persons.
Yung term lang po yun eh, pero considered as a resource person din po kayo eh.
From given what Miriam Defensor Santiago said and the Supreme Court ruling that she's quoting, we cannot, what do you call this, we cannot just trivialize. Kasi you're just a witness, you're a witness. Pareho na rin yung witness, resource person. They are not the same. The Supreme Court says they are not the same.